Hi, Tom McPherson here with this week's Circle Art School video. If you'd like to learn more about how to draw buildings in perspective, please visit circleartartschool.com to find out more information about my online drawing courses for beginners. For this drawing, we're going to use extended vanishing points. When drawing a building using two-point perspective, so two vanishing points on the horizon, if we draw the vanishing points further apart, there'll be less distortion of the building that we're drawing. And if we use extended vanishing points, there'll be even less distortion of the building because the vanishing points are further apart. If we draw a horizontal line for the horizon, we could put vanishing points anywhere along here for this drawing in two-point perspective. If we want to make a drawing that looks more realistic, we can extend the vanishing points by extending the horizon line as a guideline. And now we can draw the vanishing points anywhere along the horizon line, inside our drawing or outside our drawing. I will choose to draw a vanishing point here and maybe one here. So let's draw a house using two-point perspective and extended vanishing points. So we have our two vanishing points, which are extended. The next thing to do is to draw the vertical upright near corner of the building. So let's draw the vertical corner of the building. Let's say it's about there. And then we can use the left vanishing point, two receding lines, and the right vanishing point for two receding lines. And then we can choose where to finish this, so it's not an endless wall. And then we can darken these ones, darken these lines a little bit. Now I'll put a roof on here. So to find the middle part of this depth of this side of the building, just draw a very faint cross. Where the two lines cross, we can draw a vertical going upwards. And that's the middle part of the right-hand side of the building. And then for a pitched roof, I think I'll stop it there. So that will just be one line that way, one line that way. Now the roof's going to go towards the left vanishing point over here. And then this line, this angle here, we can just repeat here. Next, we can darken some of the lines that we need. Now we could have a door on this side. I think I'll just put the door in the middle. And then I think I'll have two windows, just keep it very simple building. And the base of these windows would be there. And then maybe another window going there. So two lines receding to the right vanishing point, and then a window. So next we could make the lines darker, erase the guidelines, and then put some tone around it perhaps. If you'd like to learn more about how to draw buildings in perspective, please visit circleartartschool.com to find out more information about my online drawing courses for beginners.
you.